What's the smartest thing you can do with your first 1,000 euros? Most people leave it in the bank and slowly lose money to inflation. Others gamble on meme stocks or crypto and blow it all. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to invest your first 1,000 euros, step by step, so you actually grow it without needing luck. Here's why this matters. If you get the first 1,000 euros right, you build habits that turn into 10,000 euros, 100,000 euros, and beyond. And the good news? You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a lot of time, and you don't even need to check the stock market every day. So let's break this down into 5 simple steps that anyone can follow. Before we invest, tick these 2 boxes. 1. Keep 100 to 300 euros in a plain savings account as an emergency buffer. 2. Kill any high-interest debt like credit cards or Klarna. Why? Because paying off 20% debt is the same as getting a guaranteed 20% return. Step 5. Set your goal and timeline. Money without a goal gets wasted. Decide upfront. Is this for short-term, like travel in 2 years, or long-term, like future wealth? Short horizon, keep more cash. Avoid big risks. Long horizon, you can invest in stocks and ride the ups and downs. Knowing your timeline keeps you from panicking later. Step 4. Automate the habit. The secret isn't a magic stock, it's consistency. Set up Auto Invest, even 25 to 100 euros a month. This is called dollar cost averaging. You'll buy when prices are high, you'll buy when they're low, but long-term it averages out. The habit matters way more than perfect timing. Step 3. The core investment. Here's where most of your money goes. Broad, low-cost index funds. Think S&P 500 or a global ETF. Instead of betting on one company, you instantly own hundreds of the world's biggest businesses. Historically, these return around 7 to 10% per year if you hold long-term. And check the fees. Anything under 0.2% is solid. Put 700 to 900 euros of your 1,000 euros here and just let time do the heavy lifting. Step 2. Invest in yourself. Here's the unfair advantage. Take 100 to 200 euros and buy something that increases your skills. It could be a course, a book, or even software that helps you earn more. Because the best ROI isn't in stocks. It's in raising your income so you can invest more, faster. Step 1. Optional satellites. Once your core index fund is rolling, you can add a small 10 to 20% satellite for fun or education. That could be a dividend ETF for passive income, a growth sector ETF if you want more upside, or even crypto blue chips like Bitcoin or Ethereum if you accept the risk. But keep this small. Satellites are for curiosity, not the foundation. Common mistakes to avoid. Most beginners lose money because they try to time the market, go all in on one stock or coin, ignore fees, or panic sell when the prices drop. Remember, missing just 10 of the best market days in history cuts your return. This is called dollar cost averaging. You'll buy when prices are high, you'll buy when they're low, but long-term it averages out. The habit matters way more than perfect timing. So here's your 1,000 euro plan in one line. Build a buffer, clear debt. Invest 700 to 900 euros in a low-cost index fund. Spend 100 to 200 euros on skills, and only then explore satellites. In my next video, I'll show you how to grow that 1,000 euros into 10,000 euros with a simple system. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you there.